Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's video, I am going to discuss about the topic called programming concept. So first of all, what is a programming and what is the need of the programming? I think you all are aware with a term called software. What is a software? A software is a collection of program, as you know this. And what is the program? Then the program is set of instructions. Okay, so what is a program? Software is a collection of program. And what is a program? Program is the set of instructions. So what is the instructions? Instructions means the thing that you have asked to do. If I ask you to do some work, that is the instruction. Okay, so if we combine multiple instructions together, so then that instruction is called the program. The set of instructions, the collection of instruction is called the program. And when multiple programs combines together, then it becomes a software. Okay, not only software, just combine करने से नहीं होगा. क्या करना होगा? ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स होंगे जो आपस में कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, तभी तो कनेक्ट होगा आपस में. सो द प्रोग्राम विच आर इंटरकनेक्टेड to each other, so that the collection of that kind of programs are called the software. So what are the programming concept and how the programming develops? So first of all, the programming exists since the computer is generated, computer is discovered. So there are certain generations of programming which we are used to use through these days, from beginning to nowadays. Okay, so these generations are the first of all the first generation. Okay, the first generation of programming or language. Okay, so what is a language? First of all, to give instructions we need a language that you understand and that also the computer understand. Suppose आपको कोई किसी ने instructions दिया और किसी और language में जो आपको नहीं आती है, then you are not able to follow the instructions given. ओके, जब उनको आपको पता ही नहीं है कि सामने वाले इंस्ट्रक्शंस क्या दिए, तो आप उस इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो फॉर दिस वी मस्ट नो अ लैंग्वेज. एंड व्हाट इज अ लैंग्वेज? लैंग्वेज इज अ मीडियम ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. Okay, so a language is the medium of communication. So the language which computer understand is, as you know this one easily. Okay, so this language is called binary language. And what is the meaning of binary? Bi and nari. There are two words are there, both the Latin words are there, bi and nari. And what is the meaning of bi? Bi means two and nari means number. Okay, so the language which is made up of two numbers is called the binary language. Okay, so what are the numbers? The two numbers are 0 and 1. 0 and 1. In computer language, these two are called bits. these two are called bits. This one is individually 1 bit and this one is also a bit. So individually these are called bits. Okay. Now one more thing, these 1 and 0 and 1 is also known as with a different name. 0 means off and 1 means on. Okay, nowadays mostly the computer equipments where switches are used, so in that switches 0 and 1 are mentioned there because the meaning of 0 is off and meaning of 1 is on. So you may consider this one as on and off. Okay, the first generation of the programming or of computer or also the programming language is the binary language. Okay, it is the first generation. This one is also called the machine language. It is the machine language. Okay, why it is called machine language? Because each and everyone can understand, sorry, not each and everyone, I am talking about the computer. Okay, because the computer is easily able to understand the language, binary language. Okay, because computer understand only 0 and 1 as their mother language, you can say mother tongue. Okay, the mother tongue of the computer is binary language. Okay, binary. So machine language or the binary language is the first generation of programming. Okay, it is quite difficult to understand that binary language, though the programmers are used to write the programs in those days using the binary language, but it is quite difficult if some programmer leave the program in between and other program will join to solve the problem or write the program. Okay, so it is quite difficult for them to write the program. So to overcome this, we move to the next generation, that is called second generation. This one is the first generation, so I called it 1GL, that is first generation language. Then second GL is, then we use the symbols. Okay, symbols which send certain kinds of information, like while traveling on the road you use, so there are some certain symbols are there, like one boy is running with a bag, or this type of symbol is there, that type this type of symbol is there, then this type of symbol is also there, this type of symbol is also there. So they convey some message, some information to us. What is the information? That one, that is left side road, right side road, and U-turn, not U-turn is banned. Okay, so these things are these symbols are used to convey some message. So similarly in the programming we use a certain kind of symbols. That symbol is called the, now after assembling them we use to write the program, assembling the symbols. Okay, so that's why this second generation is called assembly language, uses the assembly language. Assembly language, and these two combinedly known as the low level language. Okay, these two are combinedly known as the low level language. Then after, it is quite difficult also, this one is also quite difficult to remember all the symbols while writing the program. So further we make an improvement in this one and we move to the next thing called the uses the language which we use, that is the English language.